Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by deciding exact placement and scale. That determines flow. Once done, pick a cloud reference and convert it to a stencil that matches skin contours. Make sure your station is sterile, gloves, single-use needles, fresh ink caps. You must shave and clean the area with antiseptic. Allow it to dry completely before applying the stencil. Position and press the stencil so the outline aligns with muscle and movement. Confirm symmetry and comfort with the person receiving the tattoo. You begin line work with calm, consistent strokes. A lower voltage yields a softer, cloud-like edge. Once lines are laid, switch to magnums for gentle, airy shading that creates depth without harsh contrast. Make sure to blend outward from the core of each cloud using multiple light passes instead of one heavy fill. This prevents blowouts and preserves texture. Pause frequently, wipe the area to check progress, and adjust needle angle to follow skin grain so the result reads soft and natural. You finish with tiny highlights that suggest volume. Use minimal white ink sparingly and only on healed surface if possible. Once satisfied, clean the tattoo thoroughly, apply a thin sterile ointment, and cover with breathable dressing for a few hours. Make sure to explain aftercare. Clean twice daily with mild soap, pat dry, use fragrance-free moisturizer, and avoid sun or submersion for at least 2 weeks. If excessive redness, heavy swelling, or pus appears, stop moisturizing and seek professional assessment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.